this is the area that I am trying to clear so that I can add a nice area for patterns to live. I have an extra file cabinet here, and the overflowing one is behind that. So let's get moving.
Hey, get loose. Hey. Cause they hate seeing black people having some fun. Yeah, but never mind all that. We taking off to the Afro future, not coming back. Again, groove it or lose it. We done waiting it back. I should feel your energy in the back. Yeah. Whoa, yeah. Whoa, yeah. Whoa, yeah. Hey, whoa. Ooh, we taking off. Yeah, we in the cloud. Ooh, yeah. Having a ball, yeah, ooh, I just wanna feel the love around me. I just wanna spread some love around you. Hey, it's all about the ball, yeah, yeah. I said 1, 2, 3, 4, groove with me, we can lose it all. I said I don't need more when we moving together, feel like we having it all. I said black folk deserve to smile. Walk with me for a while, dance a little bit, grooving now. I should feel your energy when you walk, yeah. Oh, oh, yeah. Oh, oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. Hey, huh, yeah, yeah. Ooh, just a minute, I gotta tell, bet I'm about to flex on him, study for the test on him, positive, I got you doing it. Yeah, ooh, I just wanna feel the love around me. I just wanna spread some love around you. That's all I better want. Yeah. Hey.
Get it bouncing, yeah. Look at her style from the street. Look at her style from the ghetto. This I will never make it big.
Right here. It's really like so I really do love history. So a part of this job, I am discovering so much history behind the costume studio here. And it's just fabulous. It's really a dream come true. I'm so grateful and thankful. Like, the Lord really has blessed me, and I'm just so thankful to God. A little side clip, I never knew that was there. Like, how informational is that? So cool. But alright, let's get back to moving.
Yeah, I tell them say, oh no. Look at me, I started from the street. Look at me, I started from the ghetto. They say I will never make it big. Me, I tell them say, oh. Me go on my knees to the Calvary tree, me I pray. Me telling God everything me I need. Me I tell the God make they bless me still. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Cause if I know get all these people go.
What's up, guys? I am back at the house because I had gotten so hungry. Siete, the best. It's not focused. There we go. Shout out to Siete. Sponsor me. I love all your stuff. Yes, yes. And then I got some salmon. And here. And then I have some tortillas in the oven. Oh, this is so annoying. What's so annoying? All the learning curves. I got learning curves to learn in other places, but I'm over here learning learning curves. That's not even my field. And now I'm like, I don't want to know why you gotta have this going on with your SD card in order for you to have full footage. Like, okay, that's interesting and stuff, but for me to have to go through all this just to know that, I'm like, well, that's super annoying. On a lighter note, today we are moving all of the women's shoes into the stock house. Yay! So excited. We're putting them in the kitchen cabinets. So shout out to kitchen cabinet builders, carpenters. Shout out to carpenters. Jesus was a carpenter. Shout out to carpenters. It's gonna be magnificent because it's done. My goal is to have them all moved today. Yes, that is a very ambitious goal, but I am needing that goal to happen right now. It's a big goal because there's a lot of shoes and I'm only one person, but I have a wagon. Okay, and there y'all go. Day in the life of a custom studio manager. Everybody's job looks different. This is how it is for me.
For me, all these people go use me play. Make God they bless me and my family. Yeah. Aye. Nobody feel be somebody. Somebody feel be nobody. Never look down or no. Aye. Nobody feel be somebody. Somebody feel be nobody. Never look down or no. Me I make cash on a low. Me I wanna turn up on the low. Me I wanna get to the dough. Me I wanna shine on the low. Me I wanna turn up on the low. Me I wanna shine on the low. Me I wanna get to the dough. Me I wanna turn up on the low. Damn, with my eyes don't see. Me I no feet talk on. Me I no feet and I'm yeah. Damn, with my eyes don't see. Me I no feet talk on. Me I no feet and I'm yeah. You say money not vanity upon vanity. If you know to get in a calamity, brother, this life in a spirituality. Yeah. You say money not vanity upon vanity. If you know to get in a calamity, brother, this life in a spirituality. Yeah. Aye. Nobody feel be somebody. Somebody feel be nobody. Never look down or no. Aye. Nobody feel be somebody. Somebody feel be nobody. Never look down or no. Me I make cash on the low. Me I wanna turn up on the low. Me I wanna get to the dough. Me I wanna shine on the low. Me I wanna turn up on the low. Me I wanna shine on the low. Me I wanna get to the dough. Me I wanna turn up on the low.
Christian sound.
Get it dancing.
Woo! We did it. We moved all the shoes. Now that we have the shoes all packed up in bags, categorized by size, we will put them in the car, as you can see, and drive them over to the new location.
Too colorful or too uptight, I can never get it right. Quiero ser yo, can that be enough sometimes? I am the daughter of Rosa. I'm the granddaughter of Gloria. My abuelito and mis abuelitas are watching over me. I can feel them watching over me. But oh, sometimes I feel so.
Y'all see? They all fit. Now we're about to go and drop them off and restack them in a new place. Yeah!
Do what you do, cause you're not in my mente. Esta la situación, esta la situación. Buscando where I belong, been buscando where I be. Esta la situación. situación. Esta es la situación. Buscando where I belong, then buscando where I be. Vamos.
Watching thus far. Appreciate you guys going along to work with me. It's a lot of moving of shoes today. Yes, I know. Oh yeah, and I want you guys to know that I am keeping myself hydrated, so you guys keep yourself hydrated too. Stay mindful. Cheers. Y'all, welcome back. Today I'm going to be taking all the sweaters and knitwear out of bags and placing them into shelves. This is a part of the costume job, of course. I have transitioned from one place to another, so I'm pretty much unpacking things in this new space. Come along with me as we unpack things. the shelves. They are all organized. Oh, I just love it. When I come back later in a couple months, I'm going to hopefully do a little bit more of sorting out and getting things in their right place. More detailed categorization is what I really want. And so I'm just super grateful and thankful that I was able to do it, to get it all done. Thank you, Lord, for my body and my mind and my soul and my energy and like all the things that get me through, from the shoes to the sweaters to even moving all the other costumes into the house. I am just so thankful and grateful. I hope you guys enjoyed that video. It's Life of a Costume Designer and Costume Studio Manager. That's me. Thank you guys for watching. Bye.